Defy F640 side-by-side fridge freezer, removal of cover to change light bulb in fridge, temperature control knob seems to be stopping cover from releasing to enable light bulb replacement.
Who makes your fridge? How old is it?
Defy 2017.
How long has this been going on with your refrigerator? What have you tried so far?
Have tried to take the cover off but am experiencing difficulty, do not wish to damage cover.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
The manual explanation does not assist in this.
Thanks for counting on JustAnswer to help with your appliance problem. My name is. I look forward to helping you. Sorry to hear you are having appliance trouble. I know how frustrating that can be. The bottom of the light cover pulls out a little bit to allow the cover to slide down and come off to access the lamp. Can you post a picture of the area you are having trouble with?
Picture.
You should not have to remove the knob, the cover should pull over it. However, if removing the knob will make it easier, it should just pull off the control shaft. It is just pressed onto the shaft.
Are you saying the control knob should just pull off?
Yes, it is just pressure fit onto the control shaft.
Waste of time.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.